الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Today, hundreds of Sierra Leonean Ahmadis are observing Juma prayers in Baitul Subuh Mosque, thanking and glorifying Allah the Almighty. After taking the pledge of allegiance to the Imam of the age, the promised Messiah alayhi salam, their lives have completely taken a new turn. By the sheer grace of Allah the Almighty, today, more than 1,400 Ahmadi mosques have been constructed in Sierra Leone, wherein azan, the call to prayer, and the oneness of Allah is being proclaimed 5 times every day. This journey started 100 years ago when Hazrat Abdurrahim Nayar Sahib, may Allah be pleased with him, a companion of the promised Messiah alayhi salam, arrived in Sierra Leone for 3 days on his way to Ghana on the 19th February 1921. Al-Hajj Abdurrahim Nayar Sahib, may Allah be pleased with him, delivered lectures at different places, conveying the message of Ahmadiyyat and the coming of the promised Messiah and Imam Mahdi alayhi salam. Though the missionary works started in 1921, the glad tidings about the advent of the promised Messiah alayhi salam found its ways in this country in the year 1915 by means of pamphlet that was read by Mr. Musa K. Gaba, who accepted Ahmadiyyat after writing letters to the headquarters of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in 1916. Another companion of the promised Messiah alayhi salam, Hazrat Al-Hajj Hakim Fazlur Rahman, may Allah be pleased with him, also visited Sierra Leone in 1922, and through his effort, a number of devoted souls accepted the Jamaat. In the year 1937, Jamaat Ahmadiyya Sierra Leone was blessed with a permanent missionary, Maulana Al-Hajj Nazir Ahmad Ali Sahib, under the guidance of the second Khalifa, Hazrat Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad, may Allah be pleased with him. Al-Hajj Maulana Nazir Ahmad Ali Sahib was unstoppable. Through his effort, Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat spread in many towns of Sierra Leone, from Freetown to Mangibue, Wokupur to Bo, Baomao to Maburuka.
Once, Al-Haji Ali Rogers narrated an incident about Mavi Sahib, that once when he came to Bo to do his preaching, the sheikhs here told their people not to feed and offer him lodging in their houses.
At the end, he decided to go and sleep in bush in the jungle. I also went there and I apologized because of the bad behavior of people. And Hazrat Maulana Ali Sahib was having the attack of asthma. He was having that problem, but when I apologized, Hazrat Maulana Ali Sahib became very much emotional.
He told Al-Haji Sahib that Allah informed me that right from where you are sitting, Jamaat will have a school there, and you will be the head of the organizing committee.
Ali Roger Sahib again started shedding tears and he said, now we have seen that glory of Ahmadiyyat in this country and especially in Bo town.
The land of Sierra Leone was blessed with the footstep of the man of God, the Khalifa of Ahmadiyya, for the first time when Hazrat Mirza Nasir Ahmad, the third successor of the promised Messiah alayhi salam, arrived in Sierra Leone on the 5th May 1970. Hazrat Khalifatul Masih III was given a residence at the State House respectfully, where he met many government dignitaries, ambassadors, and the governor. Wherever he visited, crowds of thousands of people gathered to see him personally and get the blessings from the Imam of the age. Sierra Leone was also blessed again with the footstep of Khalifatul Masih in 1988. Hazrat Mirza Tahir Ahmad, may Allah have mercy on him, paid a visit to meet the pious Ahmadis of Sierra Leone. His Holiness was received by Amir and Missioner in charge and a large number of Ahmadis along with government officials, which include the Minister of Religious Affairs, the Minister to the Office of the Vice President, and many others. Huzur had a meeting with the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, His Excellency Dr. Joseph Saidu Momo. Huzur visited Makeni, Mile 91, Bo, and Kenema. On the 27th January, His Holiness laid the foundation stone of Ahmadiyya Muslim Mission House and Jamia Ahmadiyya Sierra Leone. Throughout his blessed journey, he meets thousands of people, spreading love and brotherhood. Al-Hajj Maulana Nazir Ahmad Ali Sahib established the first ever Muslim primary school in Sierra Leone in the year 1938 in Rukupur. In an effort to spread the light of education, Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat has established about 300 primary and secondary schools all over the country. Thousands of Sierra Leoneans are getting quality education from these schools, including prominent personalities and ministers of the country. The Jamaat has also served in the field of health and medicine by establishing hospitals and clinics. Currently, 2 Ahmadiyya hospitals and a dental clinic is working to reduce the pain of the poor and the sick. Humanity First, a humanitarian organization of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat, is working hard to help the people by digging water wells to provide pure water and providing food for the orphans on a regular basis, constructing school building, providing help in emergencies and in pandemic situations. IAAE, another humanitarian organization of the Jamaat, is installing solar panels to provide electricity to the needy and poor people living in remote areas of Sierra Leone. Since 1949, the Jamaat has continued to hold the annual convention known as Jalsa Salana, and it is usually attended by various notable individuals such as the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, parliamentarians, senior Islamic clerics, and paramount chiefs from different parts of the country.
May Allah bless the wonderful President of Sierra Leone, Dr. Ahmadiyya Nazms. Also, I invited him for the Jalsa Salana Bo, our national Jalsa of Sierra Leone Jamaat. And President Dr. Ahmadiyya Nazms, may Allah bless him in paradise, he came with his Vice President and 17 ministers. And the same year, after the Jalsa Bo, I requested him that we have Jalsa Salana in UK. Will you make it? He said, oh, there are very few days left. You should have told me earlier. So I apologized. But he said, okay, on 21st of July, I will be there in UK. So I have to deliver a lecture. That day I will finish the lecture. I can come and pray Jummah with His Holiness. So I informed my headquarters, and Allah Almighty blessed that exactly at the Jummah prayer time, he traveled from one other city of UK and came to Baitul Futuh Mosque, and he offered Jummah with Huzur. And after the Jummah prayer, he and 4 ministers and other important people of his government was with him. They had lunch with Huzur and a very wonderful meeting. And I always remember that he paid so much respect to Hazrat Khalifatul Masih and insisted that please come and bless the soil of Sierra Leone. Come, please come, Your Holiness, come and visit.
With the efforts of Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Sierra Leone, Ahmadiyya, the true Islam, was established in neighboring countries like Guinea and Liberia. The Ahmadiyya Muslim community has been the only Muslim organization to have received the Presidential Golden Award on the 27th April 2013 in recognition of its long and outstanding contribution to the nation in the fields of education, health, agriculture, and humanitarian activities. A similar award was also given to the community on the auspicious occasion of the Independence Day of Sierra Leone in the year 1961. This year, the Ahmadiyya Muslim community celebrates its 100 years of selfless service in the country. Coincidentally, the country also celebrated its 60th independence anniversary, and the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, His Excellency, retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio, conferred the Ahmadiyya Muslim community with one of the highest civil award, Commander of the Order of the Wukel. Maulana Saidur Rahman Sahib, Amir and Missioner in Charge Sierra Leone, received the award on the occasion of the Independence Day of Sierra Leone on the 27th April 2021. Despite the opposition against the Jamaat in the country, a lot of people of good nature accepted the Imam of the age, Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam of Qadian and became part of his community. Nowadays, Ahmadiyya is a household name in Sierra Leone, and the leaders of the country are also acknowledging this fact in their speeches.
So let me commend the Ahmadiyya mission in Sierra Leone. First, in its focused effort over the last nearly 100 years in investing in human capital development. What better way to live up to the inspirational motto of the Ahmadiyya mission? Love for all and hatred for none. What better way to cater for the whole of the human being? Let me conclude, ladies and gentlemen, by affirming my government's staunch support for the mission and activities of the Ahmadiyya Jamaat. Your work in Sierra Leone has continued changing lives for the better for generations.
Today, the manifestation of help and support of Allah the Almighty continue to manifest day by day, and the Jamaat continue to mount on the steps of progress and success perpetually. Long live Ahmadiyya. Long live Sierra Leone.